The domestic RHI for heat pumps, explained. The Renewable Heat Incentive, or RHI, is designed to reward households that move away from fossil fuels by providing regular tax-free payments to people heating their homes using either an air source or a ground source heat pump. The RHI applies to new installations and those who have had an eligible heat pump installed since the 15th of July 2009. The scheme is open to homeowners, private landlords, registered social housing providers and self-builders. The air source heat pump tariff pays this much per kilowatt hour of renewable heat generated, and the ground source heat pump tariff pays this much. It is important to note that not all heat generated from a heat pump is considered renewable, as they need electricity to run. RHI payments are only made on the renewable portion of the heat output. The amount of heat generated by a heat pump will depend on its efficiency averaged over a whole year. This is called its seasonal performance factor, or SPF. Only heat pumps with an SPF of 2.5 and above will qualify for RHI payments. Let's have a look at two different examples in a typical 3-bedroom detached house. The total annual estimated heating demand for the home is 15,000 kilowatt hours. This home has an air source heat pump installed with an SPF of 3. The heat pump is deemed to have generated 10,000 kilowatt hours of renewable heat. Therefore, the annual financial benefit to the household will be this much, and the 7-year benefit to the house will be this much, in addition to reduced heating bills. The same home has a ground source heat pump installed with an SPF of 3.7. The heat pump is deemed to have generated 10,947 kilowatt hours of renewable heat. Therefore, the annual financial benefit to the household will be this much, and the 7-year benefit to the house will be this much, in addition to reduced heating bills. If the home also uses solar thermal panels to heat hot water, it will receive 2 RHI payments. Payments are made quarterly for 7 years, with the tariff fixed at the date of installation and index-linked to maintain its real-world value. Installations must be carried out by a registered MCS installer, and the home must have completed a full Green Deal energy assessment with an approved Green Deal assessor. Payments are made on the property's estimated heating requirements, which are determined during the Green Deal assessment. There are additional payments of £230 per year available to households who install accurate heat output meters and purchase a monitoring package from their installer. To minimise heat loss wherever possible, there is a minimum requirement of 250 mm of loft insulation and cavity wall insulation where recommended in the Green Deal assessment. There is funding and finance available for insulation and further energy-saving home improvements through the government-backed Green Deal and the Eco Scheme.